I am Daniel Dailey. I'm Mr. Dailey. I'm the attorney for what God has asked me to do on His behalf. And you know, I am a kingdom litigator, which is simply I'm speaking on behalf of God in these courtrooms. And I try to do my best, and it's been a learning process because it's never been done, but I am a servant of God. And there's nothing wrong with that because God has called all of us, to answer your question, to be servants. And the fact that many are called but few are chosen, well, I was one of the called servants, and I was chosen for a job that is now coming to light for clarity for me. And it does put in perspective my entire adult and childhood so that I have some sense of peace when it comes to my purpose and my calling. Well, faith is, you know, from a biblical standpoint, you know, faith is the substance of things hoped for and evidence of things not seen. But it's really a very more of a scientific principle. Faith is, and I think Napoleon Hill in Think and Grow Rich, and a lot of men use faith, whether they show up to church or not, to accomplish great things in life, great purposes. But how does it show up? Honestly, this is how I would describe this in my life, and this is just a personal thing. I come to a knowing more than a faith. Now, faith is great, and I'm there, but the knowledge or the knowing is that I know this seat's not going to break. Now, do I have any? I don't need hope for that, nor do I need faith for that. I've got a knowing. So, I think over the course of my life, and especially inside of court cases, I've moved along from a hope this wins, I hope this does, to I have faith and it was solid, to I already know the outcome. Mm-hmm. And so it's more of a knowing now when I do so, when I get ready to enter, I know the end from the beginning because I wouldn't be here otherwise. Without it, it's impossible. It's impossible because you have to first come to a hopeful belief in, you know, let's just get right into it. Let's just get right into it. You know, my knowing, my faith has already been to a level since I was a child and so I have a deep knowing that when God says He's going to do something, He's shown me consistently from a young boy to now I'm 38 that that's just going to happen the way it said it was, whether I like it or not. Mm-hmm. So I know that when I'm in court, the outcome based on the fact that A, I wouldn't be here if God didn't have a reason for it, and B, you know, as lawyers, I heard Attorney Minister Gloria said, you know, we kind of know where we're going with what we want in court because you kind of develop your plan. So it takes a level of faith and understanding, and then you can never know what the jury's going to do. But you do know God's law, and once you understand that and you know it, you don't need to have a deep, you know, base knowing of the jury.